Hi there guys and girls. Good day to each every one of you. Let's now try the free chicken from McDonald's. Not too hungry but I do feel like to eat again. And I still have here a chocolate cold drink. See that? Come over here, join me for my late lunch part 2. Before it will make laps, so I better to eat this now. Wow. You know what guys and girls, the reason why they have a free chicken for this day nationwide, it's because this new chicken that they are introducing has a new blend. A new, not actually a recipe, but I think as what the manager told me a while ago, not a while ago, just this late afternoon in Santa Lucia, that they changed the recipes and they changed the other seasoning or flavoring. So they want the people to know about their newest chicken, new version of their chicken. There's a big difference. It's more tastier, yummier, crispier. Heavenly taste. But for now,